Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen to open the menu, and then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the brightness icon, looks like the sun, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have different levels of brightness, and we can scroll through them to see how it looks like. And once you select the level of brightness you like, for example 5, you can tap on it, then tap on it again to apply it, and once you apply the brightness level, you can press the touch sensitive button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.